Eintlik moet jy dit afneem, hè. Jy is die biblioteek nie buite kan jy kan boeke hier kom vat en dan kan jy dit net weer terugsit wanneer jy klaar gelees het.
Maar jy moet seker
Ja, jy moet geld betaal. Hierdie kant is 25 cent, daai kant is 10 cent. Kom papa. Moenie net stop. Ek gaan vir papa onderste bly.
Alright,
Agteroorval.
we are on our way to, if you see there in front is a bus, a school bus. That is a school bus restaurant. Now, when we came here and we saw this bus, we said, the one of us who's gonna get his first pay, we will come here to celebrate the first pay. And that is now Tinus. And Tinus is going to take us out for what you call it, lunch? Yeah.
A family rooted deep, forced to flee. With faith in God, they crossed to be free. Now thriving strong, where hope still grows. Proof that life can bloom wherever it goes.
Ons sal vat wat ons kan kry. Okay, loop voor, ek gaan julle afneem van agteraf.
Sorry.
We got the special notes really good.
Daar is twee verskillende plekke.
Wie watter?
Hierdie plek en daai plek is twee verskillende plekke.
O, nou wat het hulle?
Daar is hulle
Kom ons staan net reg dat hulle kan.
daar kan maar nou kies tussen een van.
Gaan. Is dit lekker? Het jy Dr. Pepper gevat? Okay, ek wil 'n Dr. Pepper hê. Nie so baie ys nie. Is genoeg sien.
Papa soep?
Pepper.
Yes. Raak ons nou maar proe business besin.
Bene.
Ek druk net die lid mooi op.
Ek het hom top gehou.
Op as af, papa.
Is it too hot outside? Is it too hot? Because we also cannot decide where we want to sit. Ons kan 'n rukkie daar sit en sê dan sal kom ons in.
En dan as jy hierdie kaak gedrink het, dan kan jy terug gaan om jou vol maak. Dit kos
Wow.
my nie ekstra nie. Waarom moet nou sit hier so?
Die son is daar. Hello.
Hey, what's going on, my guy? How you doing?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Today we are celebrating the first paycheck we have in America.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, so we saw the bus when we passed here with the buses. We are driving in the buses, the public buses.
Okay, okay.
So we said the first one of us three who's got their salary, we're gonna come celebrate it here.
Okay,
So yeah, from where are you? Are you
I am originally from Mexico.
from Mexico?
Yes, I've been living over here in this beautiful city for 20 years.
Yeah.
20 years.
Me also, I think it's a very good city.
Yeah. Where,
Yeah.
No, over here, Raleigh, North Carolina, very good. A lot of people, they come from New York. A lot of people, they come from California. A lot of people, they move to North Carolina because over here is nice weather. The people is very gentlemen, very nice guy people.
Yeah.
Where you come from? Tell me more about it.
We come from South Africa.
Okay.
Yeah,
very,
so
very,
it's very far. And
Yes.
and who's doing the TikTok?
I am the
Channel.
famous,
Okay.
I am the Chef Cebollero. Chef Cebollero.
Safe Chipper.
Cebollero.
Yeah, I will have to look it up.
South Africa.
Yes. And I've got the YouTube channel Happy Foreigners. Yeah, when we landed here, I started this channel, and what I'm doing is I mainly show our people what it is like here. So it's only a month and a half ago, and I almost got 3,000 subscribers on YouTube. Yeah, that's really fast. But everyone wants to know what's life like in America, so that is why.
So you wanna say hey to anybody, South Africa, to your friends? They will see this video.
Oh, yeah, all my friends in South Africa. Hey, it's very nice here in a first world country.
What kind of language do we speak
Everything
there?
is working here.
In South Africa, what kind of language do we speak?
There's a lot of languages, but the first language is English, British English. And then we have Afrikaans. That's what our culture is doing. And then there's a lot of other languages, sub-languages. I see here in America also there's a lot of other languages. When we travel on the bus, we see all kinds of different people. So yeah.
Very nice, my guy. Thank you for starting and visit us over here at Burgers and Tacos. I'm gonna say hi to everybody from South Africa. Make sure you come to USA. Come out to try free burgers and tacos. We got the best tacos. We got the best burgers. Okay, amigos. Follow me on TikTok. Okay, follow my guy
Nice.
over here too. Okay.
Yeah, you can look up Happy Foreigners.
Happy foreigner.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
All right.
Thank you. Cheers.
Good. Enjoy. Thanks. This is what happens if you do not know the food. We ordered the big pizza, and this is what it was like. We did not expect it. So we're gonna have 3 pizzas. We will see 3 pizzas of this size.
Very big ones.
Okay.
Claro, mi raza, aquí venimos a traer unas pizzas que me dijeron que vienen de Sudáfrica y supuestamente que les acaban de dar un cheque, el primer cheque de Estados Unidos que lo vienen a gastar aquí con nosotros. Ok, aquí está la meal over.
You see, this is what happens if you do not know the country. We thought the pizzas is like this.
Oh, no.
Now we got
this
3
one.
huge
Sorry.
ones.
Where are you guys coming from?
South Africa.
South Africa? Okay, in South Africa, hey, I hope you guys doing good, okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
and I like your head.
Appreciate it, thank you. Yes, you guys enjoy, okay? Thank you.
Coming from
South Africa.
South Africa. Okay.
Yeah.
I want to say everybody to from South Africa. Hey, I hope you guys doing good. Okay.
Yeah, and it's Mexico, ne?
Oh yeah.
We also send our regards to all the Mexican people.
Okay.
Yeah, we do love to meet different cultures.
All different cultures. Always nice to meet different cultures. Okay.
Yeah, and I like your head.
Appreciate it.
I
Thank
love
you.
it.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
All right.
They call me a Chef Gallo. Chef Gallo.
Chef
Chef
Gallo.
Gallo, yes?
Chef Gallo.
Rooster.
Oh, a rooster. Okay, yeah.
All right.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
thank you. All right. It's a massive pizza. Look at that. But let me get a further.
It's the first time I have to eat it like this. Otherwise, I eat it with a knife and a fork.
I must say, I'm not really a pizza fan, but this is really nice. It is very juicy, and me, I like it. For a guy who don't really like pizzas, I must send my regards to the chef. Okay. Nie net vir my af. Wat doen nie? En jy's die koning van die dag. Kom terug na my toe. And you see, when you take these drinks, when it's empty, you can go refill it with no cost. And this whole setup here was now $83. Because this is huge pizzas. We really did not expect it. Now we are full. We couldn't eat everything, of course. And here is the rest. So we will have food for tomorrow as well, at least. So yeah, very nice. It's so quiet to sit here. We are next to a road that is quite busy this time of the day. But it's really nice.
I have to say, $83 tastes very nicely.
Yeah. And there is a way how you cannot see. This is how you wash a bus. Let me change the camera. This is how you wash a bus. That's how you wash a bus when it's standing stationary. Yeah, and this is our life. This is our life in the city. We are walking. You will walk a lot in the city, but it's
But it's better to walk as to drive.
in the sense of it is healthy. It
But it's
keeps
also
us
nice
healthy.
to look.
Yeah, you see this places better when you look. Here's a Tesla. White seats. So we are on our way to the bus stop.
Here are we.
And here we are at the bus stop again. We're gonna go with number 9. Number 9 is there on top, the red one. You also got the wolf line that is red, but the wolf line is mainly for the students. But we can go on them as well. Lots of jeeps. Lots of jeeps is here in America, what we see in this place. Your phone is your friend because Google is your friend and Google Maps is your friend. Although there is some different maps you can use for the buses, but we are mainly use Google Maps. I want to show you a bulldozer building. Ah, there it is. A bulldozer building. That is how we sit and wait for the bus. And while we're waiting, we check out the drivers. We don't look at the cars, we look at the drivers. All the drivers that is here. It seems like, what you call it, when the people come from work. Because normally the street is not so busy. And it's not that busy, but yeah, there's a lot of traffic here. As jy moeg, Eileen? O, jy kyk op die foon. Wel, Senan, Tinus, thank you for our first outing, or what do you call it? 8 years.
Take out.
Our first takeout. Takeout, no, it doesn't sound right. Ons eerste uiteet. Wat Tinus ons gestiek het met sy eerste pypcheck. Shap. Alright, here we are standing in a beautiful place. It's just behind our townhouse. Now, if my planning is correct, you would have seen now the video where Tinus was sticking us for his first paycheck. Because of his first paycheck, he stick us by the restaurant, there by the bus. Now, I just want to follow up with this because there's a lot of questions about work. Now, this conversation will be about work. So, those of you who follow all our videos, you would have known that Eileen, before we had our SSN and our EID, no?
Yeah.
Before we had that, Eileen went and she just gave her a resume in by a school, a children garden,
Netcare kindergarten.
by a kindergarten. She gave in a resume by a kindergarten that is very close here by us. And then she went immediately for an interview also. Now that is now, how long ago about? Just roughly 4 weeks.
Yeah, because we were only, I think, 2 weeks here. And then we got our resumes. And
Yeah.
then I went and
And she decided to take that work, but she still don't work. So
Yes.
I just want to show you the time period. Eileen can talk further now.
when I have the interview with the head teacher, then I have to apply. And then she said, now I have to first go for a fingerprint in the background checking. The background checking takes almost 3 weeks. It wasn't so fast.
Kan hulle maar hoor.
It take a long time. So yeah, when I finished the background checking and I went back to her and she let me know that it's finished and I'm approved. I have to apply now for the work, the assistant teacher, because it had to go through the right channels. But I don't have to go back for the interview because we already had it. So she will tell them I don't have to go for an interview. And she said that I actually have the work. So yeah, then she give me another form I have to get for tuberculosis, TB, and the doctor had to fill it in. And then I already finished my first appointment with the doctor. My second appointment is now Wednesday, uh, the 22 of April, and then I can take that forms with me and he can fill it, or she can fill it in. And if they had to draw blood for TB, then they do that. But they said I'm already negative because they test us in South Africa before we came here. So the test is actually negative. So I think maybe she's going to use that test as well. And then I have to take the forms back, and then they will decide when I'm start working. When I go back, or when I go for work, I have a 2-day course. I have to watch on the computer to see what their rules and setup and what the assistant teacher is doing there. So just to inform me and show me the ropes there. So yeah, then I am so far in the process. So I just wait for Wednesday.
Okay, so it just shows it is a process.
Especially if I think it's a process, especially if you work for the government or for a school, because I can only talk for the school point of view. Tinus has different experience because he didn't have to go through all the stuff that I have to go. So if you apply for a school or something like that, you have to go through another process to get to work. Then it takes longer because the background checking was taking very long. I don't know why. Maybe there's a lot of background checkings they have to do, and because I don't have a background here in the United States.
But it takes every time. When they
Yes.
check, it will take 2 weeks or
Yes.
something like that
Yeah.
before you
It's
get
not
the
just
results.
quick like this. Maybe if you work for Walmart or Target or Costco's or something like that, they don't have to check you. And
Yeah.
then you can start immediately. Because I know other mom and 2 sons, he went for an interview and I think 2 days after that, they let him know he can start working. And then he go and work because he didn't need a background check and stuff like that.
Yeah, I just want to add there. That is why if you take an entry level job like by a supermarket or by Walmart or what, it's very quickly you will get work.
Yeah.
Very easy. And then at least to me it sounds like a decent pay. We don't know. We don't have.
Information.
We don't realize the amounts because we work in dollars, so we don't really know what is a good salary and what is not a good salary. So, but yeah, for a start, it is really good. Look at listen to Tinus what he done, and he can tell his story for us now.
I went for the interview that one day. I went for two. We already talked about that. And I started the Monday at this company. And at that time, I understood what my role was as building cement floors. That was wrong. The cement floors are already laid when I reach the site. Usually, they don't have anything covering the cement floors, and then I go grind it down and add a base coat with it looks like pieces of paint that has peeled off. We call that chip. It's not the same thing, just it looks like it. And throw that over the base coat, clean that up, and then throw over a clear layer, almost like a resin. And I do have photos that my dad can put into the video before and then after for you to get a better idea of it. And with the salary I have or get from them, I am able to pay the uh, rent of our house and the electricity while my mom and dad are still getting their works. So it's not like we're in a crisis for money or that I'm getting too little or stuff like that.
Yeah, for now, Tinas can pay our rent. Now, while we're there, when you come here, the ideal will be if you can start working within the first 2 months. Because, what do you call that first 3 months? The settlement, 3 months.
Initial resettlement.
Yeah,
Period.
you are right. The initial resettlement budget you got, it depends on how many people you is. Are you 3 like us, then you can make it for 2 months. That little money, because it's only $2,000 per person.
And that is only with our agency. We are not sure with the other agencies.
Yes.
Yeah,
We can't
we talk about our experience.
Yes.
Né? So what I'm saying is, it will be good to start working within 2 months so that you can be able to pay your third month.
I think it's if you can work soon as possible after
Of course,
you
yeah.
arrive. That is much better.
But like now with Tina's salary, we can pay the third month
We can
bills.
survive till we can get our work.
And like you see in die reeks van ons videos.
The series.
As you can see in the series of our videos, we make use of food banks. We even got some clothes from
Close bank.
from clothes banks. We did not have a very good experience yet with clothes, but at least we got some. And look at that jacket Tina's got. His caseworker, his case manager gave it to him.
Yes.
And that is a very nice jacket. And like I said yesterday was a very hot day. You will see it in the video because that past video, the restaurant video was taken yesterday. Today it's chilly.
Yeah.
So the weather is now the time when the weather is doing like this. But we have very good weather here in Raleigh.
We love the weather actually. The weather reminds me of Rustenburg. The
All right.
hot side.
We're starting to get distracted now again. So we talked about Tinas and his work, and what I also struggle to understand what it is, but it's almost like an epoxy they put over the floors. It looks very nice when it's done. On the photos you cannot really see how nice it is. All right, and in my case, I'm not looking for a entry level work, and that is taking some time. So be prepared. I do have an agency who's in the process of working for me to find a work, and it takes really time. I don't really want to say it, but it seems like we got some Africa time here.
South Africa.
South Africa time. So let me call it like that. We have your South African time, you will know what I mean, and then you have your American time. I saw a comment like that, and that was quite nice for me to hear. So they are not so in a hurry to do things. Like I know we are. We just want to go and do things.
And start.
It's the same thing as he's saying. He say we are used to when we do a job, we get in and we get it done. It's not like that here.
You're not working your debt.
Yeah, you're not working, or the experience we had on this
So far.
stage, like what Tina's had so far, is you don't work your alley off like we said it in South Africa.
Yeah.
So in my case, it takes a long time because remember you apply for a job and the job is maybe for a month or 3 weeks before it expires, and only then they will reach out to you if you apply online. Now I do have an agency that helped me for this, and we are busy with Caterpillar, but it takes a long time, and I decided now I'm not gonna wait anymore. I'm just gonna do my own how do you say,
applications.
my own applications.
But I just want to interrupt you there. It's not that he gonna leave Caterpillar. He gonna take something in the meanwhile to do something while they are busy with Caterpillar till Caterpillar came back to him. Then he will decide it further.
Yeah, we will see how it goes.
Yes.
But the thing I want to say is there is opportunities here.
Yes, there is.
You know, I'm gonna tell you this because we are real on this channel.
Yes.
I went to the Raleigh bus station. I went to the bus industry to try and get a work there, and I couldn't get hold of the HR. At last, I got a number. And I'm not so good on the internet. You struggle to get to the right places, but eventually I applied there, and I want to see the HR myself. I think that's the best way to go if you really want a specific job. So I couldn't get this guy on the phone. Always he's busy, I must phone back and so on. I couldn't get him. So I text him. Here they text. They don't use really WhatsApp like we are in South Africa.
Some of them don't even know WhatsApp.
So
They call
after
it
2
message.
days, he come back to me because I asked him, are you interested in mechanics? And then he just say yes. So I said, all right, it's late now. I will talk to you tomorrow. The next day I tell him, I'm a mechanic and I would like to apply for a job there by him. Then he come back, he say, no, you cannot see me today. That was on the Friday. You cannot see me today. And I'm going away next week for the whole week. So, ek het my stert in 'n krul opgetrek toe.
And that is not supposed to be that.
Yeah.
Because that is how they work.
But anyway, so I told him, okay, leave it. I will try another company. So, but what I want to say with this whole story is you can actually do it here. You cannot do it in South Africa. There's no other jobs, but there's enough jobs here. There's some, in my situation, there's enough jobs. So I'm not very pressed, but I know I will work before the end of 3 months at least. I think I will work before that time. But I'm still busy, like this week is coming. I'm gonna go see people. This thing to work over the internet and apply, I don't know. It's not my style. But anyway, it is of course for a lot of you, it will be the way to go. And yeah, I hope this answer some of the questions
Yes,
because
yes.
a lot of people ask us, what happening with the job? What is happening? Now, all I can say is, like I said before, we've got a lot of opportunities here,
Yes.
and it all depends on yourself. I think here we can make a big difference in this country. We can really contribute a lot because I know our South Africans. We can work and we are dedicated. And yeah, that is what I can say about the work. Any other thoughts?
Goggakin, ek verlang na julle, na jou en my liggie seun. Lief vir julle.
All right, so Tinus, are you working nice?
I'm enjoying it so far.
Yeah, because you are seeing the world.
I've been to the sea. I've been past the North Carolina battleship. I haven't physically seen it, but I was within 5 kilometers of it. I've been to most of Raleigh so far. So I'm seeing the area, the North Carolina area. And sometimes, they say they sometimes get work outside of the state. And hopefully I'll be able to also do that. So yes, traveling, I like it.
Yeah. All right. I hope this answered a lot of questions for you. Shop, shop. Oh, let me show you quickly what it looks like here. It's beautiful. The noise you hear, we are close to the highway. Let me see if we can see. There's a big wall here to separate us from the highway. Now you cannot see it.
This side.
Okay. Ciao, ciao.
Meet Sadie, our tiny teacup Yorkie with a big personality. She lives for treats, her playtime, and being right by our side. We're trying to bring her with us to the USA, and any support, whether it's a donation or even just a prayer, would truly mean everything to us. If you would like to help or learn more, please click the link in the description. And thank you so much, Happy Foreigners, for supporting us through this journey.